Are you getting error NP-103172-4 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. NP-103172-4 is typically a network connection error. When you are getting such an error, check the PSN status. If the PSN server is down, then also you can get such errors. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Next, you can check the internet connection. You can connect your smartphone or other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also restart the router or modem and check if that helps. You can also open PS5 settings. Then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 3. Restart the PlayStation 5. The next thing you can do is restart the PS5 console. Sometimes a fresh restart can fix minor bugs and errors that might be responsible for the connectivity issues. To do that, press the PlayStation button. Go to the power option. Select Restart PS5. Wait till your system fully restarts. Method 4. Restart router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, unplug your router and modem. Wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in. Allow the devices to fully restart. Method 5. Try a wired connection. The next thing you can do is try a wired connection. Connect the PlayStation 5 to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connection can provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Once done, check if this works, otherwise go to the next method. Method 6. Change the DNS settings on your PS5. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then head to Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and then set the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK to save the changes. Once done, head to the network page again. Now you can run an internet connection test. So select Test Internet Connection, Start Test and check the connection speed. Method 7. Check for router firmware updates. The next thing you can do is contact your service provider and ask for a router firmware update. Due to outdated router firmware, you can have connectivity issues. So contact the service provider to update the firmware and see if that helps. Method 8. Forget the network. The next thing you can do is forget the network and re-add it. Sometimes this can fix temporary connectivity issues. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select the Setup Internet Connection. Select the network area you are connected to. Then select the Forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 9. Check the placement of the device. You should also check that the PS5 is kept close to the router. This should ensure a strong connection and minimize the distance the signal has to travel, reducing the chances of any connection issues. Also, make sure there are no obstacles between your PS5 and the router. Walls, furniture, or other electronic devices can interfere with the signal strength and cause connectivity issues. So remove any obstacle and check if that helps. And there you have it, the methods to fix the PS5 error NP-103172-4. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.